Welcome to this tutorial on why use Google Analytics 4 setup. Google Analytics 4 is the latest version of Google Analytics, a powerful tool that helps you understand your website or app's traffic, engagement, and conversion rates. In this guide, we will walk you through the key concepts, practical examples, and best practices of setting up Google Analytics 4. First, let's discuss the benefits of using Google Analytics 4. With GA 4, you can track user behavior across devices and platforms, providing a more comprehensive view of your audience. It also offers more accurate tracking of conversions and revenue, allowing you to make data-driven decisions. Additionally, GA4 provides enhanced machine learning capabilities, such as predictive analytics and automated insights, to help you identify trends and opportunities. To set up Google Analytics 4, you will need to create a new property in your Google Analytics account. This will generate a unique tracking code that you will need to install on your website or app. You can do this by copying and pasting the code into your website's header or by using a tag management system like Google Tag Manager. One of the key features of Google Analytics 4 is its event-based tracking model. This means that you can track specific events, such as button clicks or form submissions, and use this data to understand user behavior. You can also set up custom events to track specific actions on your website or app. Another important concept in Google Analytics 4 is the idea of audiences. Audiences allow you to group users based on specific characteristics, such as demographics or behavior, and target them with specific marketing campaigns. You can also use audiences to create retargeting lists and exclude certain groups from your campaigns. In terms of best practices, it's essential to ensure that your Google Analytics 4 setup is accurate and complete. This means verifying your tracking code, setting up goals and events, and configuring your data retention settings. You should also regularly review your data to identify trends and opportunities, and use this insights to inform your marketing strategy. In conclusion, setting up Google Analytics 4 is an essential step in understanding your website or app's performance and making data-driven decisions. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can unlock the full potential of Google Analytics 4 and start driving more conversions and revenue. Remember to regularly review your data, set up custom events and audiences, and use the insights you gain to inform your marketing strategy.